12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 6, Line and Plane. Dear students, we are going to study the normal form of equation of plane and its example. Theorem. The equation of the plane at a distance p unit from the origin and to which unit vector n cap is normal is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Here we have to prove that the equation of the plane in normal form. In three-dimensional geometry, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Take there is a plane. We have to give a plane at a distance p unit from the origin. Therefore, suppose here is ON distance is p. Proof. Let ON perpendicular to the plane. ON perpendicular to the plane. Then ON distance equal to p. That is, we have to give a distance p unit from the origin. From the origin, here is ON perpendicular and this distance is we have to give a p distance. Take p any point on the plane. Join segment NP. Small r vector is the position vector of p with respect to origin. Here is r vector. As n cap is a unit vector along OA, n cap is unit vector along OA. Therefore, ON equal to P into n cap. Here is ON vector equal to P into n cap. P is the distance from origin to the plane. That is the ON distance is P. Here is n cap. Therefore, ON vector equal to P into n cap. Let P of R vector be any point on the plane. Here is P of R vector be any point on the plane. Then join AP, NP. This NP segment is on the plane. NP segment is on the plane. Here is ON perpendicular to plane. Therefore, ON perpendicular to NP. Hence, NP perpendicular to ON. ON is n cap is along unit vector along ON. Therefore, NP vector perpendicular to n cap. Hence, NP vector dot n cap equal to 0. Their dot product is 0. Put the values NP vector. NP vector means OP vector minus ON vector. OP vector is small r vector minus. Here is ON vector. ON vector equal to P into n cap. Dot. Here is n cap. Then r vector dot n cap minus P into n cap equal to 0. Here is dot vector of n cap is 1. Hence r vector dot n cap minus p equal to 0. Minus p take on RHS, therefore r vector dot n cap equal to p. This is called the normal form of vector equation of the plane. Here is normal form of the equation plane. Very simple proof. From origin OM perpendicular to the plane, its distance is p. N cap is unit vector along OM. P any point on the plane. Join segment NP. N cap perpendicular to this plane, therefore perpendicular to NP. Dot product is 0. We use this result. Putting the values, prove that the normal form of a vector equation is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Remark. If L, M, N are direction cosines of normal to the plane, then n cap equal to L I plus mj into nk. Second, if n is foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane and ON distance is p, then the coordinates of n are pl, pm into pn. Third, the equation of the plane is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is normal form of the Cartesian equation of the plane. Examples. Example number 14. Find the vector equation of a plane which at a distance 6 units from the origin and to which the vector 2i minus j plus 2k is normal. Here we have to find vector equation of plane. Given that distance 6 units from the origin, hence p equal to 6, and to which the vector 2i minus j plus 2k is normal. Also we have to give n vector. We have to find vector equation. Vector equation of the plane is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Solution. Here we have to give p equal to 6, distance from origin to the plane. N bar is normal, even is 2i minus j plus 2k. We find the magnitude of n bar, that is root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square is root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root of 9. Root of 9 means 3. Hence magnitude of n bar equal to 3. We have to find n cap. N cap is equal to n vector divided by magnitude of n cap. N bar is 2i minus j plus 2k divided by 3. We have to find the vector equation. We know that the formula is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Therefore, r vector dot, we have to find n cap. 2i minus j plus 2k divided by 3 equal to p equal to 6. Here is given distance from origin to the plane. Taking cross multiply, 3 into 6 is 18. We get r vector dot 2i minus j plus 2k equal to 18, which is the vector equation of the plane. Example number 15. Find the vector equation of a plane is at 42 units from the origin and which is normal to the vector 2i plus j minus 2k. Same type of example. Here we have to given distance from origin to the plane is 42, means p equal to 42. Also normal to the vector, that is n bar equal to 2i plus j minus 2k. We have to find equation of a plane. Formula is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Solution. If n cap is a unit vector along the normal and p is the length of perpendicular from origin to the plane, then vector equation of the plane is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Here we have to given the normal n vector 2i plus j minus 2k and p, the distance from origin to the plane is 42. We have to find magnitude of n bar, that is root of 2 square coefficient of I square plus coefficient of j square, that is 1 square, plus coefficient of k square is minus 2 square equal to root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 minus 2 square is 4. Hence 4 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root of 9 equal to 3. Hence n cap equal to n vector dot magnitude of n cap. Here is 1 divided by 3, magnitude of n bar is 3 and n bar is 2i plus j minus 2k. Then the vector equation of the required plane is, put the values in this formula. R vector dot n cap is 1 divided by 3 into 2i plus j minus 2k equal to p. P is the distance is 42. Take 3 into 42, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 126. We get r vector dot 2i plus j minus 2k equal to 126, which is the equation of the plane. Example number 16. Find the perpendicular distance of the origin from the plane x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. Solution. First, we write the given Cartesian equation in normal form. In the form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. L, M, N are direction cosines and P is the distance from the origin. From this equation, we know that the direction ratios of the normal are 1, minus 3 and 4. 1, minus 3 and 4. Here is direction ratios. We find direction cosines. Direction cosines here is root of 1 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square equal to root of, here is addition is 1 plus 9 plus 4, 16 equal to 26. Hence direction cosines are 1 divided by root of 26 minus 3 divided by root of 26, 4 divided by root of 26. Here is the equation of the plane. Here is direction ratio 1. Direction cosine is 1 divided by root of 26. Therefore, divide this equation throughoutly by root of 26. Hence, 1 divided by root of 26 into x minus 3 divided by root of 26 into y plus 4 divided by root of 26 into z minus 6 take on RHS and divided by root of 26 we get 6 divided by root of 26. Here is the form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. P is the distance from the origin to the plane. We have to find perpendicular distance of the origin from the plane. That is P. P equal to 6 divided by root of 26. Hence, the distance of the origin from the plane is 6 divided by root of 26. Example number 17. Find the perpendicular distance of the origin from the plane 6x minus 2y plus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Same type of example. The equation of the plane is 6x minus 2y plus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Its vector equation is in vector form. R vector dot 6i minus 2j plus 3k equal to 7. Here minus 7 take on RHS. We know that R vector is xi plus yj plus zk. Hence R vector dot. The remaining normal is 6i minus 2j plus 3k. Hence in vector form R vector dot 6i minus 2j plus 3k equal to 7 denoted by equation 1 where we know that R vector is xi plus yj plus zk and n vector 6i minus 2j plus 3k is normal to the plane. We have to find magnitude of n bar is root of coefficient of I square that is 6 square plus coefficient of j that is minus 2 square plus coefficient of k square is 3 square. 6 square is 36 plus minus 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49, hence we get root of 49 equal to 7. Unit vector along n vector is, that is n cap equal to, we know that the formula n vector divided by magnitude of n equal to, here is n vector is 6i minus 2j plus 3k divided by magnitude of n vector is 7. Here the equation of a plane in normal form. R vector into n vector equal to a vector into n vector. We convert it in this form R vector dot n cap equal to P. Divide both sides of equation 1 by 7. Here divide both the terms by 7. Hence we get this term in n cap. Here is n cap is here divided by 7. Therefore divide by 7 on both sides. Divide by 7, divide by 7. This term is equal to the n cap. Hence R vector dot n cap equal to 7 divided by 7 is 1. Comparing with normal form of the equation of the plane, that is R vector dot n cap equal to P. R vector dot n cap equal to P. P equal to 1. That is, it follows that the length of perpendicular from the origin is P equal to 1 unit. Example number 18. Find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 18. We know that coordinates of foot of perpendicular are LP, MP and NP. P is the distance from the origin and L, M, N are direction cosines. Solution. The direction ratios of normal to the plane 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 18 are. Here is coefficient 2, 1, minus 2. Hence 2, 1, minus 2 are the direction ratios. We have to find direction cosines. Therefore, divide by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. That is 4 plus 1 plus 4. Root of 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4, root of 9. Root of 9 means 3. Hence, divide these direction ratios by 3, we get direction cosines. And direction cosines are 2 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, minus 2 divided by 3. Here is the direction cosines divided by 3. Hence, L equal to 2 by 3, M equal to 1 by 3, N equal to minus 2 by 3. The normal form of the given Cartesian equation is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane, this form. We convert it into normal form. Normal form is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Here we know that. Here is only the term 2, but directional cosine is 2 by 3. Here is term only 1. Directional cosine is 1 by 3. Here is also minus 2 by 3. Therefore, divide this equation by 3 on both sides. Here is divide by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Separate dividing, we get 2 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3 into y minus 2 by 3 into z equal to 6. Here is P. P equal to perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane. Therefore, P equal to 6. We know that the coordinates of foot of perpendicular are is LP, MP, NP. Put the value of L and P. Here is 2 by 3 into 6. That is then 1 by 3 into 6 minus 2 by 3 into 6. Here is 3 into 2 is 6, therefore 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 6, 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into minus 2 is 4. Hence, the put of perpendicular is 4, 2, minus 4. Example number 19. Find the coordinates of put of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane 2x plus 6y minus 3z equal to 63. Same type of example. Solution. The equation of the plane is 2x plus 6y minus 3z equal to 63. We convert it into the Cartesian form, that is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Therefore, divide each term out. Here is the direction ratios 2, 6, minus 3. Hence, root of 2 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 square. Here is 4 plus 36 plus 9. Therefore, root of 49. Addition is equal to 7. Therefore, direction cosines are 2 by 7, 6 by 7, minus 3 by 7. Therefore, divide this equation by 7. Hence, dividing 7 on both sides, we get 2 by 7 into x plus 6 by 7 into y minus 3 by 7 into z equal to 63 divided by 7 equal to 9. Hence, this form is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is the normal form of the equation of the plane. Therefore, the direction cosines of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane are L equal to 2 by 7, M equal to 6 by 7, N equal to minus 3 by 7. And length of perpendicular from origin to the plane is P equal to 9. We know that the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the origin to the plane are LP into MP into NP. That is, putting these values, here is L into P. That is 2 into 9 is 18 divided by 7. 6 into 9 54 divided by 7. 3 into 9 27. It is minus sign, minus 27 divided by 7, which is the foot of perpendicular from origin to the plane. Example number 20. Reduce the equation r vector dot 3i minus 4j plus 12k equal to 8 to the normal form and hence find first length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane. Second, direction cosines of the normal. Solution. Here n bar equal to 3i minus 4j plus 12k. Convert into n cap. We know that the normal form is r vector dot n cap equal to p. Converting n cap, we find magnitude of n bar. Magnitude of n bar equal to root of 3 square plus minus 4 square plus 12 square. Then root of 9 plus 16 plus 144 equal to root of 169 is the square of 30. Therefore, magnitude of n bar equal to 30. Therefore, the required normal form is r vector dot. Here is divided by 30 on both sides. 3i minus 4j plus 12k divided by 30. This is the n cap equal to 8 divided by 30, which is the perpendicular distance from the origin. First, therefore, length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane is 8 divided by 30. Also, the direction cosines of the normal are 3 divided by 30 minus 4 divided by 30 and 12 divided by 30. Example number 21. Reduce the equation r vector dot 3i plus 4j plus 12k equal to 78 to normal form and hence find first the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane. Second, direction cosines of the normal. Similar example. Solution. The normal form of the plane is r vector dot n cap equal to p, where n cap is a unit vector along the normal and p is the length of perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Given equation of plane is r vector dot 3i plus 4j plus 12k equal to 78, denoted by equation 1. Here the normal n vector equal to 3i plus 4j plus 12k is normal to the plane. We find unit vector n cap. There we have to find magnitude of n equal to root of, here is 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equal to root of 9 plus 16 plus 144 equal to root of 169 is the square of 13. Hence magnitude of n vector equal to 30. Convert it into normal form. Therefore, divide equation 1 by 30 on both sides. Hence r vector dot 3i plus 4j plus 12k divided by 13 equal to 78 divided by 30. R vector dot. Take the separate division. 3 divided by 13 into I plus 4 divided by 13 into j plus 12 divided by 13 into k equal to 13 6 is 78. Therefore is equal to 6. This is the normal form of the equation of the plane comparing with r vector n vector equal to p. Hence first the length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane is p equal to 6. Is p equal to 6. Also find the direction cosines of the normal r. Here is the coefficient. 3 divided by 13, 4 divided by 13 and 12 divided by 30. Thank you.